Microsoft Excel is the most widely used spreadsheet application in the world. From small businesses tracking expenses to multinational corporations modeling billion-pound budgets, Excel is the common language of business data. This lesson introduces what Excel is, why organizations rely on it, and what the interface looks like when you first open it. What is Excel? Excel is a spreadsheet program developed by Microsoft. It stores information in a grid of rows and columns, where each intersection is called a cell. Each cell can hold a number, a piece of text, a date, or a formula that calculates a result. Because every value sits in a predictable location, for example, A1, B12, Excel makes it easy to perform calculations, build reports, and visualize patterns across thousands of rows of data. Why Excel matters in business. Most office roles, finance, operations, HR, marketing, logistics, healthcare administration, depend on Excel daily. Typical business uses include reporting weekly sales reports, monthly performance reviews, KPI summaries, budgeting and forecasting building budgets, tracking actual versus planned spend, modeling scenarios, analysis, finding trends, comparing regions or products, measuring growth, data management, storing customer lists, inventory records, attendance logs, dashboards turning raw data into visual summaries for managers and executives. Even with the rise of Power BI, Tableau, and specialized software, Excel remains the entry point because it is flexible, fast, and already installed on almost every business computer. The Excel interface at a glance. When you open Excel, you'll see 5 core regions. The ribbon, the toolbar at the top, organized into tabs, home, insert, formulas, data, etc. The formula bar shows the contents of the currently selected cell and lets you edit formulas. The name box to the left of the formula bar shows the address of the active cell. The worksheet grid, the main area of rows and columns where you enter data. The sheet tabs at the bottom let you switch between worksheets inside the same workbook. Try this. Open Excel and locate each of these on the screen. Ribbon, worksheet tabs, formula bar, rows and columns. Click into a cell, type your name, press enter, then look at the name box to confirm the cell address. You've just made your first Excel entry.